Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to mathematics class. And today we'll be looking at subtraction of Naira and Kobo. Remember last week we learned about addition of Naira and Kobo. And we said addition means add together. But today we'll be learning about subtraction. And subtraction means removing or take away. Remove or take away. Now, talking about subtraction, it means you are counting the small number out of the big number. So removing the small number from the big number. That is what subtraction means. For example, you have 3 minus 2. That means you are asked to count 3. 1, 2, 3, and remove 2. 3 is a big number, 2 is a small number. So you are removing 2, 1, 2 from 3. So you are going to count the remaining. The remaining is 1. So the answer is 1. You can have another example like 8 minus 3. That means we are counting 8, which is a big number, and we are removing 3, which is a small number, from 8. That is how subtraction works. So let's count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's remove the small number out of the big number. 1, 2, 3. Now let's count the remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 minus 3 is 5. Now, remember our Naira sign, which is our N, and you put two strokes, and the Kobo sign, just K. And you remember that we said to differentiate between the Naira and the Kobo, you need to put your decimal point, or what we call just your dots. You put your decimal point or your dots to differentiate between the Naira and the Kobo. Also, you should always arrange your numbers properly, the Naira and the Kobo with the decimal point. So the Naira will be on one side, the Kobo will be at the other side. You should arrange them properly. If you don't arrange them properly, you might not get the right answer. Another thing about subtraction is any number subtracted from 0 is that same number. 5 minus 0, that means count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove nothing. 0 means nothing. So we are not removing anything. So you count the number again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5. Okay? So any number subtracted from 0 is that number. 1,000 minus 0 will give us 1,000. 1,000,000 minus 0 will give us 1,000,000. Any number 10 minus 0 will give us 10. Any number subtracted from 0 will give us that number. So let's look at this. So the first thing you have to look at is the question says 4 Naira 29 Kobo minus 3 Naira 17 Kobo. That means we are going to do what? Arrange it first. Put your Naira sign here, then put your Kobo sign here. So 4 Naira, that's what it says, 4 Naira. Put your dot, 4 Naira, put your dot to separate your Naira from your Kobo. Then 4 Naira was 29 Kobo. Okay? 29. Can you see? My 2 is under K and 9 is beside 2. Then we also have minus, don't forget your sign. 3 Naira, put your dot, 17 Kobo. So we need to do it. We need to work this out. So remember your tens and units, we are starting from the unit part. That means from the right hand side. That means 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7, you count 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remove 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count the remaining. 1, 2. 9 minus 2 is 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. Now 2 minus 1, 1, 2. Remove 1, 1. Then we count 1. We have 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Put your dot to separate your Naira from your Kobo. Now this one says 4 minus 3. Count 4, remove 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remove 3, 1, 2, 3. Count the remaining 1. We have 1. So the answer is 1 Naira 12 Kobo. So let's move to the next one. We have 8 Naira 57 Kobo minus 7 Naira 10 Kobo. Now you have your Naira, then you have your Kobo. Then you have 8 Naira 57 Kobo minus 7 Naira 10 Kobo. Okay, so 7 minus 0. Remember we said any number minus 0 is that number. 7 minus 0 is 7. 5 minus 1 is 4. Are you wondering how we got 4? I told you when we had our Zoom meeting, I said you should be able to do mental math at this age, okay? So 5 minus 1 is 4. Let's see how we got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove 1. 1. Count the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4. Put your dot to separate your Naira from your Kobo. Now we have 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Are you wondering how we got 1? So count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remove 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Count the remaining 1. We got 1. Okay? So you should be able to do mental math. Number one, it will help you to be fast with your work. You won't be slow because you are now big boys and big girls. You need to be fast with your work and you need to do it well. So the next one is 8 Naira 53 Kobo minus 4 Naira 23 Kobo. So put your Naira sign here and put your Kobo sign here. So you put your 8 Naira, okay? Put your dot, then you put your 53 Kobo, then you put your 4 Naira, your dot, then you put your 23 Kobo. Remember your subtraction sign. Now let's see. 3 minus 3 is equal to what? 0. 0. Are you wondering how we got 0? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Count 3, remove 3. 1, 2, 3. How many is remaining? Nothing. 5 minus 2 will give us 3. Are you wondering how we got 3? Now count 5 and remove 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now remove 2. 1, 2. Count the remaining 1, 2, 3. Now dot. Now 8 minus 4 will give us 4. Are you wondering how we got 4? Count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remove 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now count the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 minus 4 will give us 4. So the answer is 4 Naira 30 Kobo. If you have any question on subtraction of Naira and Kobo, do send them through the comment box. Bye.